a lovely camera.
Do you like it? It just smooths out the skin nicely.
Yeah, it does. I'm all about that.
So Imogen and I are doing a Primark grab. So basically there's stuff hidden around Primark and we have to race against each other to actually get them all. Hopefully I'm so competitive and I might jack a few of her stuff, so I'm GoProing it up. Is it like the right way? Is it underneath the chest area or a bit further up?
Maybe a bit further up. No, so point it, we want it pointed towards the face, right?
No, just straight out.
Oh, straight out, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Spot on.
It's obviously upside down. 3, 2, 1, go!
Guys, look up. Someone who actually looks like me in a store, like it's so cool. If you actually look all around Primark, you just see so much diversity. You have black, you have white, you have mixed, you have hijabis. Like it's so cool to actually feel like everybody is included and that there's something for everybody. It's just nice to see someone that looks like me. Look around. Diversity. Hello, honey. How are you? Diversity.
Going in first, here she goes. Wow. Oh my goodness. You are a princess essentially. Oh my god. Oh look. Wow.
So kids.
You're cute. You're cute. You look so cute. I can't actually go.
We're going to review the Disney store.
Yeah.
You can play games.
TripAdvisor with Sean.
God. Look at the little scene.
You sounded so posh. Oh my goodness, kids are going to go actually crazy. We're going crazy for this. Thumbnail.
Touch to play. What are we doing? Guys, there's more. Oh my kitty gosh. Oh my kitty gosh. Look at this. I don't even know what room this is. Like, is this a makeup room? Is this brows? I really don't know. Guys, I can't possibly show you everything in this place, so do check out Imogen's vlog on like stuff to buy and what's new in. Yeah, but I'm literally just like, it's so big and it's such a maze, like there's just so much to so fucking hell. I mean, shit. I mean, what the hell? Is this a cafe? place is freaking huge. Like, I'm actually out of breath walking up and down. There's just so much to see. It's like so exciting. When you come in here, you probably go back home at like 6 o'clock in the evening. You know what I mean? Like, they've got another like that area. It's got loads and loads of plants about Birmingham. It's a place to be. Like, where you been hiding? So when you look down here, the men's section is absolutely mad, and they even have a barbers. Let's go check it out. Primark home. The stuff in here is so nice. Oh my god, but the part that I want to show you is this, the fitting rooms. Show and share. Come and bring your friends, play your tunes, change the lighting, try it on, and find your amazing. Okay then, no problem. Look at the, ooh, look at that. Look at the weight. Bloody hell. Wait. It's really hell. Look at the waiting rooms, literally. That is crazy. Like, and they even have plug sockets so you can charge your phone, so you'll never ever be out of battery. I hope they have good Wi-Fi here too. They have good Wi-Fi here too. So, you know, back in Primark, you used to like literally not have no signal. Now you have signal. Look at this, guys. Look at that. And then the rack. And then like, look at that. Oh my god. Oh my giddy gosh. You can work the room, you can change the lighting. Look at that. Oh. Volume, you can actually plug your tunes in, set the lighting. Oh my god, that is madness. That is so cool. And you can charge your phone. And there's another plate. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Extra privacy. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? This is mad. Is this the gender neutral rooms?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. They're all really cool. Yeah, the smaller cubicles, smaller cubicles, smaller cubicles. There's more down there. Bloody hell. That is so crazy. You're joking me. You're joking. What's even better about this is gender neutral dressing rooms. So literally all genders, everybody. That is so beautiful. I love that bit. So guys, literally this Primark store is a madness. I can't like take you through the whole place because this will be like an hour-long vlog. I'm gonna have to try and cut this down, but it's amazing. And if you haven't come to see the new Primark yet in Birmingham, it's definitely worth a trip to. This alone is your whole day fully packed, ready and loaded. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. Make sure you check out Imogen's video of what's new in Primark. I've just went around and chosen some stuff that I want to wear for a haul. So yeah, big up yourself. Bye, cheese.